Hello po, magandang araw. Ngayon po ay July 8. Thank God it's a Friday. Welcome po sa the stock market today. Kung first time niyo po sa channel na ito, ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market ng 2007. At ginagawa ko po ito araw-araw. And I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto nyo pa-review, paki-comment lang sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Anything I say sa channel na ito ay hindi po financial advice. Ang ating news ay tungkol sa MONDE kasama ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, July 8, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating main news, actually ang ating headlines muna ay from BDO Securities. Jobless rate rises to 6% in May. BSP to hike rates by 50 basis points next month. I think this is a timely move, ano? Kasi kung 25 basis points lang, hindi yan makakahabol sa interest rates ng US. Nasa 7 to 8% na po ang US rates eh. So, kung meron pong gap na ganon, ay yung ating dollars ay investors ay magta-transfer po, no? Which is now happening. And then, dollar reserves dropped to a 21-month low in June 2022. Then MONDE says Lucky Me products are FDA compliant after countries issued health warnings. I think we had this already yesterday when nagkaroon ng malaking drop si MONDE, no? And this was due to yung kanyang ingredient na ethylene oxide, no? Na dinideny naman ni MONDE. PHILIPPINE launches hog feed brand to boost production. CNPF launches plant-based tuna alternative. Alphamart targets 1,400 stores by end of 2022. Ito po yung SM Retail Mini Mart, no? ASAN develops 2 Ilocos Norte wind projects. Cavitex fast-tracking flyover extension project. Okay, so let's go to MONDE from the PhilStar, no? MONDE Nissan shares tumble after instant noodle recall. MONDE Nissan shares tanked on Thursday as investors sold on the news that Taiwan, France, Ireland, and Malta recalled variants of the company's household instant noodle brand Lucky Me after health authorities found products containing pesticide residues. Shares in the food giant slumped 7.22% to close at $13.36 apiece, one of the worst performers of the day. It was worse than the 1.44% decline in the main index. I believe it was mainly affected by the ongoing recall of Lucky Me products in EU and Taiwan due to the presence of ethylene oxide, Anixeto Pangan, trader at Diversified Securities, said. In a disclosure sent to the local bourse 30 minutes before trading closed, MONDE Nissan noted that the pesticide detected in their products are commonly used on spices and seeds to control microbial growth, typical in agricultural products. The company explained that over the course of processing into seasoning and sauces, traces of ethylene oxide could still be found. The company said the product recall will also affect other product offerings, including ice cream, sesame seeds, spices, and calcium carbonate supplements. However, towards closing, shares were aggressively bought up after falling below 13 pesos intraday to finish at 13.36, once Monde emphasized in a statement that Lucky Me products are Philippine FDA registered and comply with local food and safety standards and even US FDA standard for ethylene oxide, Limlingan added. But beyond the news, Russ Mercado, head of research of China Bank Securities, said Monde Nissan shares could have fallen due to profit taking. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news, and we featured Monde yesterday, and ito nga yung nabasa natin yung disclosure, no? And mamaya tignan po natin ang nangyari kay Monde kung na-arrest po yung fall, but in the last 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes of trading ay tumaas po yung stock. Okay, so let's now check your comments here, and we have one from Pepito Tungkab. Pwede po pa-request ng tel at mer. Salamat po, sir. Okay, so let's now check what happened to the index. Okay, let's see what happened to the index, and it gained 9.50 points on flat, 0.15% up to finish at 6361.82. So parang nag-profit taking lang siya, no? And usually Fridays is profit taking day in the PSE. And in the market activity, 72 companies declined, 92 advanced, while 62 remained unchanged. The all-share index also ended almost flat, 0.16%. The sectoral indices ended mixed. The financials, industrials, mining, and services ended in the green, led by industrials. And it's just almost flat also, no? Yung holding companies naman is down, while the properties index is also down. So, tignan natin po yung ilang stocks na request, no? Let's do TEL, MER, GFC. Let's take a look at Monde and PXP. Okay? PXP is a oil exploration company of Metro Pacific. So, tignan natin siya. Umpisa natin kay PLDT. Flat din po siya, no? Losing 3 centavos to end at 16.90, and it's bearish. So, yung pinaka-support ni PLDT ay nandito po sa yan, support level na po, 16.90. Ang PLDT, it's moving downwards, and siguro itong weak green candlestick dito is a sign that the stock may be reversing. But sa nakikita po natin from our indicators ay RSI is bearish at 40. So the trend is still downwards. Then tignan muna natin yung fundamentals ni PLDT. I think it's positive naman, ano? TEL is 2,290 or a 35% upside more or less. Now, si MER naman, pareho pong Metro Pacific ito. Yan, si MER is actually sideways lang po si MER, no? And it ended flat actually. So sideways movement, and RSI is bearish at 43, no? So I think these are the nagkakaroon ng effect yung refund on the short term, pero profitable naman po yung kumpanya, no? At it would be recalled that meron siyang nag-grant yung kanyang increase, ano? Way back 2014, 2015 by the ERC, but at the same time, kailangan niya mag-refund for over recoveries, no? or overcharging of customers. Okay, so it's just moving sideways at kung titingnan po natin, ang pinaka-support ay nandito eh. Yan po, nasa 333. So 330 to 333 po ang pinaka-support niya. But continues to move sideways. The resistance is here. Somewhere 372, hindi po siya exact points sa support and resistance. So fundamentally, tingnan natin si Meralco. Meralco, 445 or about a 27% upside fundamentally. Just moving sideways, and the RSI is also moving downwards, or the trend is downwards. And then si JFC naman. Uy, meron siyang upward si JFC ha? Bakit kaya? So 5.85% up or 12 pesos. Let's see kung meron news. Supply shortage. So I don't know, is this just market sentiment? Pero malaki pa yung up niya, no? Nasa top, ano ba siya? JFC. Yan, nandito, no? Nandito siya. 5.85%. And continues to move up. RSI is bullish, 64. And the trend may have changed dahil yung kanyang presyo na 217 is higher than our 100-day exponential moving average, meaning maaari po na nag-reverse na po yung trend. So abangan lang po natin kasi this is just one candlestick with a little above average. Kaya lang I wouldn't say that this is a breakout. No? So support or resistance nandito po sa area, nasa 227. Resistance area, support is here, 194. Okay, MONDE, naka-recover kaya to? Si MONDE, hindi rin naka-recover. So, nasa baba pa rin siya. So, 13 pesos, 4 centavos, losing 32 centavos pa si MONDE, no? So, I think, na magre-recover din to dahil profit-taking day ang Friday, and at the same time ay hindi pa nagsisink in sa mga consumers kung anong effect ng balitang yung ingredient na nag-cause ng pull out sa foreign countries, Taiwan and Europe. So ang support nasa 1282 and bearish po si MONDE, nasa 43.19, no? But eventually, consumers will realize na there's nothing to worry about, about ingredients in Lucky Me. Yan, ang pinaka-resistance po nearest, nandito po, sa area to, sa 1485. And then PXP, uy, PXP breakout siya. Bakit kaya, no? Walang ibang news eh. So, kasi nag-reverse na po yung trend eh. Tingnan niyo po dito, no? May breakout po dito eh. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng continuation, no? Ito po consolidation to eh. Yan, no? Nag-consolidation siya. Tapos nagkaroon ng continuation today. Another breakout, kasi yung last resistance niya nandito po sa 580. So almost breaking the resistance, and the previous resistance level was here at 535. So na-break na po yan today. Yan po si PXP, no? And it's approaching overbought levels. Nasa 66 na po yung RSI, but hindi ko po alam kung anong news dito. Dahil 11 days ago itong news dito ni MVP seeking protection and exploring the West Philippine Sea, no? But that's PXP, it's a breakout and quite a relief, So the higher resistance would be here na at 691 if the pattern continues, So maari magkaroon pa ng continuation yan, or mag-consolidate muna. Okay? Because the RSI is already bullish. It turned bullish from bearish a week ago. Yeah, nag-oversold po siya dito nung June 22. So a month ago, it was oversold. Or half a month ago, 15 days ago, oversold po siya. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-8 ng Hunyo, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, happy weekend. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.